Welcome to the tutorial video about the lab on chemical reactions. And this lab is really just trying to identify different chemical reactions as one of 5 different possibilities. The first one is called synthesis, where two things make one thing. The next one is composition, where one thing breaks into two things. We've got single replacement, double replacement, and finally combustion, where you've got some kind of compound burning in the presence of oxygen typically. So looking at these various examples right here, and we've got these pictures that sort of describe what's happening, we're going to try to classify all the reactions we see into one of those categories below. So first, we want you to pick a hypothesis to test. If you observe a chemical reaction, can you always tell what it is? Do you need to see the formula to know what type of reaction it is, or can you never tell what it is? Based on that, pick a hypothesis you'd like to test. I just picked one at random to show you how it works. And then we've got this, about 9 different reactions we're going to take a look at. So I'm just going to pick one here. For example, let's just do this one. Water being broken down through electrolysis into hydrogen and oxygen. So notice there's a video of the reaction. You can see the gases bubbling up. This is the water with the two electrodes there. There's an electric current passing through, and one electrode, they're creating hydrogen, and the other is creating oxygen. Without seeing the full equation, but noticing what's happening here, you have to try to figure out what type of reaction this is. Now, we have one thing breaking into these two gases. So if I picked this one, which is the decomposition, right, then I would get that right. Let's press reset. What if I thought this was combustion? No, that's wrong. What if I thought this was synthesis? No, that's wrong. So you can keep resetting and try to get the right reaction type. At that point, I'm going to save that, and water, I got it correct, that's saved. And so your goal is to do all 9 reactions, get them all identified correctly, and start to learn how to identify chemical reactions in this virtual lab.